I am Dr. Sintha Someswar Rao, working as assistant professor in Computer Science and Engineering Department, SRK Engineering College, Bhimavaram. In previous lectures, I am explained about AWT components, that is called window, frame, panel, button, label, list, checkbox. Now I am going to explain scroll bar, which is a part of AWT. AWT is a abstract window toolkit which is used for design the window-based application or graphical user interface in Java. What is scroll bar? Scroll bar, scroll bar is a class which will supported by the AWT in Java for designing scroll bar, scroll bars like this. That means we have to scroll the component from top to bottom or bottom to top. The object of scroll bar class is used to add horizontal and vertical scroll bars. By using that scroll bars, we have to move the text previous and back. That means front and back. That means top to bottom. It is a graphical user interface component to see individual number of rows and columns. That means scroll bar will create a one bar. By using that bar, we have to scroll the text. This is the implementation of the scroll bars in Java. For implementation, it provides one class called scroll bar. Scroll bar, yes, new scroll bar, and then define the boundaries, left space, top space, bottom space, right space, and then that scroll bar is add to the frame app. In generally, as said in the previous lectures, before going to define anything, whether it is a button, whether it is a label, whether it is a list, whether it is a checkbox, what we must define the frame. Frame of new frame title. For that frame, once creation of the frame, it will act as a container. For that frame, here we need to add the scroll bar. Yes, f dot add of s, and then define the size of the frame, define the layout, set visible true. If suppose this statement is missing, that frame is not visible. This is about scroll bar. Scroll bars are allow us to move the text front and back. That means top to bottom. And then another is choice. It is just like a list. In that list is allow us to select multiple items, whereas choice will allow us to select a single item. So choice is used to create or add or display multiple items, but it will allow us, that means it allows the user to select the single item from the choice, similar to a list in terms of functionality, but display differently. Only one item from the list can be selected at one time. This is equivalent to list, but it will allow us to select only single item. This is the example. This particular thing just like a list, but selection is, it will allow us, selection is different. It will allow us to select a single item. As like previous examples, here also we need to create the frame. After creation of the frame, we need to create a choice. Choice is equal to new choice, and then define the boundaries for the choice. Add the items to the choice. Item 1, item 2, item 3, item 4, item 5. After successful creation of the choice, we need to add this choice to frame. F dot add of C, define the boundaries for the frame, define the layout, define the set width. Here only difference is only selection. And then for the creation of the list, we have to use the list class, but the creation of the choice will use the choice class. Choice, see new choice. The only difference is selection. It will allow us to select the only single item. Text field. This is text field is similar to the label, except it is editable, whereas label is read only. This class displays a single line of optionally editable text. That means it will display a one box. In that box, you need to type something. That means by default it has some text. Suppose you want to edit, it may be edit. This class inherits several methods from text component. This is one of the most commonly used component in the AWS. This is the example of the text or text field. To create the text field, we have a one method called, class called text field. Text field object new text field text. Define the boundaries for the text field: left, top, bottom, right. Text field to text boundaries left, top, bottom, right. As like remaining examples, here also we need to create the frame first. After that, text field. After that, the text fields are add to frame. F dot add of T1, F dot add of T2. After that, define the frame size, define the layout, define the visible to. This is the text field. In the text field, this is the text. Suppose you want to edit this text, it is allow us to edit it. Whereas label will not allow us to edit. That means that is a read only. It is editable, optional editable. Suppose you have to remove this text field example, that this text is removed. Nothing will be displayed on this particular box. This box is called a text box or a text field box. The difference between label and text field is label is read only, text field is editable. Text area. This text area is as like text field, but it will display multiple lines of editable. This class display multiple lines of optional editable text. This class inherits several methods from text component. This is the text component. It will allow us to scroll the text top to bottom as well as left to right. This is the example of text area. Text area as well as text field. In the text field, only we have a single line of text, but coming to the text area, we have a multiple lines of text. Text area, new text area. Text area is a class which will allow us to create a text area. This is the text. After that, needs to define the boundaries: left space, top space, bottom space, right space. And then as like remaining examples, we need to add this area to text area to frame, define the size of the frame, define the layout of the frame, define the visibility true. This is the text area. These are some of the methods of the text area. That append text, insert text, replace text. By using append text, we have to append the text. That means end of the text, we need to add the text. Then we'll go for append text. Coming to the insert text is a method which will allow us to insert the text, replace the text. It will allow us to replace the text. And then another class is called another option text area. It is suppose we need to define the number of lines, number of rows, and then columns. That is also possible to define while we creating the text area. Text area will allow us to insert multiple lines, whereas text field will allow us to insert only single line of text. Another is the radio button. Radio button provide a more user-friendly environment for selecting only one option among many. Suppose we have a multiple options. From that options, we need to select only one option. In that case, we'll go for radio button. But in AWT, there is no direct package. That means direct class. But we need to create this radio button by using checkbox class. Okay, how we have to create the radio button by using checkbox class. Once we have to create the checkbox class, that checkbox class is add to the checkbox group, means that checkbox group automatically converted into radio button. See this example. In this example, first of all, we need to create a checkbox. After that, create the checkbox group. Once create the checkbox group, this checkbox is add to the CBG, CBG false. That means not selection. True means selection. This is checkbox is a class which is used to create a checkbox. Whereas once that checkbox is add to the checkbox group, this checkbox is automatically converted into radio button. So radio button always allow us to select only one option. Again, just like previous application, frame, add the checkbox to the frame, define the size of the frame, layout, visible true. This is about graphics. This is another class of the AWT, just like component. Graphics allow us to define the line, oval, polygon, rectangular, string, 3D, arc, oval, etc. Draw line is used to line up the line, draw the line the draw in a window, draw the oval on a window, polygon on a window, rectangular on a window, 3D rectangular on a window, oval on a window. Set color is used to define the color. Set font is used to define the font of the text. Draw image is used to define the image. This is the graphics class used for defining the graphics. Another class is called a layout manager, which is not presented here. Layout manager is only which is for define the layout of the class. That means space or place where it is displayed on the window. These are the three categories of AWT. In this session, I am explained about graphics, layout manager, and then radio button, choice. These are all for creating the Windows application in Java, especially for by using AWT package. Thank you.